Well, for Darrell,
Hey, Trace.
how's it? I have a bit of a crazy idea. Well, I don't think it's that crazy, but
You with
I
a
was
crazy
wondering.
idea?
hmm I know it's not going to take me 365 days to do this one, though. So, I'm making progress. I'm breaking the addictions. But I'm definitely missing. I'm going to start blogging again more, and we all love helping people a lot. And
Yeah.
this idea I've had, which is
Well,
based on statistics, right?
okay, what's the idea?
So I've written over 1,000 blogs on Office 365, and do you know what my most popular blogs are?
The ones where you talk about zombies?
Well, okay, so my second most popular blog, and cupcakes, man, and cupcakes. So by all the time, I mean, even if I just share on social media, my PowerPoint and my creative blogs just get so much great positive response. It's unbelievable, and especially from my more technical peers, which I normally wouldn't expect that from.
Hmm.
And I was just thinking, I actually had someone from another country reach out to me the other day asking if I would give them PowerPoint training, and I was like, that doesn't quite follow my scope. And I was like thinking, why am I not helping people more, with
Hmm.
PowerPoint, and not just PowerPoint, but graphic, cool, creative stuff using
Exactly.
PowerPoint.
I mean, the stuff you put together is really, it's always vibrant. I like the way that when you start off your videos or you've got content that it's always like, pow. But, yeah, why don't we go bigger? Like, we can do PowerPoint presentation and stuff, but how about we fold this into how people can get more vibrant, cool content across in their organizations to communicate? We could fold in SharePoint, Stream, and news pages. What do you reckon?
Absolutely. So I'm gonna bring this back to my favorite topic, which is digital literacy. Because if you think of that, creativity, curation of content,
Yeah.
communication skills, cultural and social understanding, it just addresses so many of those things. So it's actually a fantastic idea. And it's that whole power platform thing, man, because it brings all of those cool apps together, doesn't it, Daryl?
Definitely, yeah, and I like that you're making sure that it's embedded in real needs, right? We can get buzzed out about the technology, but if
Absolutely.
it's not, if it doesn't have a need, if it doesn't have a, like communicating and digital literacy, then why are we doing it? Awesome. Should we muck around or should we get on with it?
Absolutely. Have you got
Yeah,
time now, or should we schedule it for next week?
I reckon. Well, I know we've just talked about this. We're kind of cheating. um,
Yeah.
I think it was Valentine's Day. Next week. It'll be your evening. It'll be Pacific time, probably around 9 a.m. We'll put the link out there. And for New Zealand time, it'll be around 7 a.m. What do you reckon?
Well, I love the idea because that means that on Valentine's Day we can share some PowerPoint love.
Well, I've got pink in the background, so kind of
Oh, yay. That sounds great. I think it's a
awesome.
great idea. I'm looking forward to it.
All right. Well, yep. Stay tuned, guys and girls, and people who are interested in trying to create awesome, vibrant content. We're going to get into it with Tracy, and I'm going to learn some stuff, and hopefully we'll all learn from each other. Community. Woohoo!
Hey.
All right. See you then.
Cool.